How to get T-Mobile eSIM QR code. If you're switching to T-Mobile or just need to activate an eSIM on your device, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get a T-Mobile eSIM QR code and activate it. So let's dive right in. Before we start, let's quickly make sure that your phone is compatible with eSIM. T-Mobile supports eSIM on most recent iPhones, Android devices, and other compatible phones. If you're unsure whether your phone supports eSIM, check T-Mobile's device support page or your phone's manual to confirm. The next step is to get your eSIM QR code from T-Mobile. You can do this in two ways. Simply call T-Mobile customer support by simply typing 1-800 T-Mobile or simply typing in 611 from your mobile to speak to an agent and request the eSIM QR code for your account. Or if you prefer to speak to someone in person, you can head over to any T-Mobile store. The staff can help you activate your eSIM and provide you with the QR code on the spot. Alternatively, if you're a T-Mobile customer, you can also use the T-Mobile app or the website to request your eSIM QR code. Once you have your eSIM QR code on your phone, go to settings, tap on cellular or mobile data depending on your device, and simply tap on add cellular plan or add eSIM. Use your phone's camera to scan the eSIM QR code that you received from T-Mobile. Once you've scanned the code and your phone accepts the eSIM, you'll see a confirmation message. And if you're using a dual SIM device, you can choose whether to set your T-Mobile eSIM as a default line for calls, messages, and data. Make sure to confirm all your settings and you're all set to use your T-Mobile eSIM.